Hi there. Welcome to our second episode of Dining While Dashing. Today's dashes have been a bit on the thin side. It's been a little bit of a rough day, but we have something to brighten the day up just a little bit. We have our awesome electric lunchbox, link in the description. We are Amazon affiliates, so if you do buy anything, it will help the channel. Really just appreciate you watching the video, so thank you. You're a real one. So we have our awesome electric lunchbox. This is a and me now, but there are a ton of these that are all essentially the same thing, just sold by different Chinese distributors. That's a pretty common thing with Chinese electronics. But yeah, we're gonna get this set up and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be making today. Today we're gonna be trying some awesome ramen noodles. Again, kind of a basic meal, but we're still testing this thing out just to see what it can do. So yeah, I'm gonna get this, a little bit of water added in here. I think we're gonna give it about an hour and then we will check back in on it. Okay, so it's been about an hour. This thing is very toasty. It seems like it's putting up quite a bit of steam. Let us see where the ramen is at. Oh, baby. I think that is some ready ramen. Yeah, let's get the sauce packet in there. Okay, hi there, everybody. We are back once again. I think this is all going to be the same episode. You guys, we kind of messed the ramen noodles up yesterday, so we are back with our handy dandy electric lunchbox, and we are going to give it another try. I think that this time we are going to use it's about 250 milliliters of water, and we're going to check it every like 15 to 20 minutes tops. And it's probably only going to take 30 because this thing has really surprised me so far. It gets a lot hotter than you think it would. I mean, you're cooking in the car. It's pretty neat. But yeah, we're gonna get this set up, get it running, and I will check back in with you guys in just a second. Okay, so I had an idea. So last time the noodles cooked like way too long. I also think I added too much water, but they just had like, the noodles just had way too much contact time with the water to where they just became like one gelatinous, like, singular thing. And so this time I'm gonna try, adding the water, letting the water heat up for like 15-20 minutes, and then adding the noodles. So that way we have like, it's more kind of like how you would make ramen normally, I guess. We'll see. Just wait till we get to making like beef bouillon and some crazy shit like that. Ugh. We're gonna set it in its little insulated box. And I will say the little box does help it to like maintain its heat and not just lose it immediately. Okay. So yeah, I will touch back with you guys in like 15-20 minutes when the water's hot. Okay, so we have been going for like an hour because I got really busy dashing, and whoa! It is hot. We barely have any water left. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can add the ramen real quick. Okay, so last time I cooked them way too long with way too much water. This time it's been 10 minutes after letting the water heat for like 40, just because I lost track of time. And we almost have some noodles. Oh wow, no, we do have some noodles. Look at that. Oh, that's just right. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to drain this water real quick. We're going to add the sauce, and then we're going to have a bite. We succeeded this time. This was not another failure. We got... Stop that. We got some real noodles today. That's just right. That's just right. That's some fine noodles right there. Let me tell you what. Okay, so this has been our first successful dining while dashing. It's only the second one, but still, you know, we're 1 for 1 here. So we're starting a cookbook. Cook it in your car. Cook it in your car with Julia Child, okay? First recipe, ramen noodles. What you want to do, you want to add about 250 to 300 milliliters of water. It's about half a water bottle. You want to let that heat for 30 minutes to an hour. I did an hour, but that's kind of just on accident because I just ended up getting stuck dashing. After about 30 minutes to an hour, letting the water heat up, you're going to want to add your noodles and then reclose. And then you really only need to leave it for about 10 minutes. Leave it for about 10 minutes, and you are good to add your flavor packets, dump your water, and eat. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today. Greatly appreciate any support you can show the channel, leaving us a like, a comment, subscribing if you're not already. But yeah, thank you guys so much. You have a lovely day.